Hey guys, if your TikTok business suite is not working, let's fix that. So to start, go ahead and open TikTok app, then go to your profile at the bottom right, then click the three lines at the top right, then go to settings and privacy, then scroll down and go to free up space, open it and clear cache. So click on clear and confirm the action, click clear again. Now once that's done, go ahead and try again and see if that works. Next is to update TikTok app. So you can go to Play Store or App Store and search for TikTok and open it. Now, if you see an update button in here, make sure to click that and update the app to the latest version. Once done updated, you can then go ahead and open it again and see if that solves the problem. Next is to go to your settings, scroll down to General, go to iPhone storage, scroll down and look for TikTok, and click on Offload app. Click on Offload app once more. Once done, you'll see reinstall app. Click on it again. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. So just wait for it to finish reinstalling. So once this is done, just close it and open TikTok again and see if that solves the problem. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.